Can consumption of whey protein without exercise lead to fat gain?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common question many people have. Can consumption of whey protein without exercise lead to fat gain? This question arises as many individuals wonder if they need to pair their whey protein intake with physical activity or if simply taking protein supplements alone can lead to weight gain. Let's dive in.
What is whey protein?
Whey protein is a complete protein that comes from milk. It's high in essential amino acids, easy to digest, and well absorbed by the body. Many people use it as a supplement, particularly for muscle growth and recovery after resistance and endurance exercises.
How does the body use protein?
It's important to understand that protein has many roles in our bodies. It's involved in repairing and building tissues, creating enzymes and hormones, and serving as a crucial component of our skin, bones, and blood. When we consume protein in excess, our bodies will usually convert it into energy. If our body doesn't need the extra energy, it will store it as fat.
Can whey protein lead to fat gain?
The answer is, it can, but it's not that straightforward. Here's why. If you're consuming more calories overall, including those from whey protein, than your body needs for its functions and physical activity, those extra calories can be stored as fat. However, if you're using whey protein to replace meals and maintaining or reducing your total calorie intake, it won't necessarily lead to fat gain. The key factor here is your total caloric intake and expenditure. It's not the whey protein itself that leads to fat gain, but rather the surplus of calories when you take more than your body can use.
Does this mean you shouldn't take whey protein without exercising?
Not at all. Whey protein can still be a valuable part of your diet even if you don't exercise regularly. It's a convenient way to ensure you're getting enough protein, especially if you're not getting enough from your regular diet. But it's important to keep an eye on your overall caloric intake to ensure you're not consuming more than your body requires. So, to sum up, whey protein in and of itself won't make you gain fat. It's the excess calories that might lead to fat gain. If you're consuming whey protein, be mindful of your total caloric intake and try to balance it with physical activity as much as possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more health and nutrition insights.